So I've moved into this rental, right? And I've got this beautiful cupboard, but it's in the way. The floor's a bit wobbly. And I am going to show you the cupboard. And it's great and it's beautiful and it's got these great doors, yeah. Oh, look, I was going to try and sell it, but I'm not good at selling stuff on Marketplace because I'm not even on Facebook. Oh, I could have a garage sale in this epidemic, or I could throw it in hard rubbish and that's a waste. And then this frustration has led to a great idea that might help us with the recycling in our planet. But it's just an idea. So I will show you what I'm about to do.
Be in your heart, be in your soul. We need the dragonfly, lullaby, melody that takes us higher. Be in your heart, be in your soul. Plant your seeds of love so they can grow, grow, grow. Give us the roots down underground, melody with freedom sound. The way is a new revolution. In your garden, we're all seeds of love. Yeah. Gonna plant it in your garden, plant the seed, watch it grow, and let everyone survive in these times. That's right, plant the seeds of love. When the sun sets, don't you ever forget your roots and culture. Living roots coming straight to you. You can grow it in your backyard, friends. It's not that hard, yeah.
So it's hard rubbish at the moment, so I found all these agave plants, planter boxes, some bacon bed, bamboo, trellis, and I've now finally got this cupboard out. And the reason I'm telling you guys now is that hard rubbish is around everyone's suburbs and everyone's throwing cupboards out. So what about a planter box?
Be in your heart, be in your soul. We need the dragonfly, lullaby.
Because we've got to have some ideas going on. Planter box. This will be continue this video because I can't show it to you, but now that it's hard rubbish at the moment, how about we recycle? You can even pick them up off other people's nature strips. There's about 10 to 20 of these kind of things in my area, and they're just throwing them out in hard rubbish to be smashed. So how about we get creative, and instead of buying planter boxes from Bunnings, which is closed in lockdown anyway, we recycle our old furniture, our old drawers. Look, what are you doing? I'm drawing. Take out the drawers, use the drawers, put dirt in them, put plants in them, and it saves you spending more money on more materials when you've already got them. And it's just a concept of an old cupboard now becomes food for the people.
Plant your seeds of love so they can grow, grow, grow. Give us the roots down underground, melody with freedom sound. Yeah. We sing the culture, lead the way, it's a new revolution. Gonna plant it in your garden, plant the seed, watch it grow, and let everyone survive in these times. That's right, plant the seeds of love. When the sun sets, don't you ever forget your roots and culture. Living roots, grow it in your backyard, friends. It's not that hard, yeah.